Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by physically connecting the keyboard and selecting Input so Brawlhalla recognizes keys. If you stream from PC, enable Xbox app streaming and make sure keyboard pass-through is on. Once done, open Brawlhalla and switch control scheme to keyboard in Controls or Accessibility. This tells the game to read key presses rather than a controller. You want low latency transport. Wired USB or local network for streaming reduces lag. Make sure the keyboard is stable and keys respond before moving to mapping. Now you assign specific keys for movement, attacks, and signatures so your hands form reliable muscle memory. Choose keys near WASD or arrow cluster for movement. Map jump and dodge where your thumb can reach quickly. Then bind light/heavy attacks and weapon swap to different fingers to avoid input overlap. Once mapped, launch training and run repeated neutral, side, and edge combos for 1 to 2 minutes each. Consistent repetition reveals awkward binds you should tweak immediately to smooth execution. Finish by optimizing performance and checking edge cases so the setup stays reliable. You should enable game mode, target stable 60+ FPS, and reduce VSync to lower input delay. This makes keyboard inputs feel crisp. If keys ghost or repeat, adjust keyboard software anti-ghosting, change USB ports, or swap to a wired connection. If things go wrong, test the keyboard directly on a PC, update drivers or firmware, and if streaming, toggle pass-through. These steps isolate whether the issue is hardware, driver, or streaming related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.